In this video, we will see how we can use the class notebook and upload the assignment. For that, you have to open the Microsoft Team in your device or system, or you can just type teams.microsoft.com in your browser window. After that, go to the respective team in which you have to access the class notebook to upload the assignment. When you will click on the particular team, you have to go to the general channel because you will find the class notebook only in the general channel of the team. After clicking on general, then click on the class notebook link. It will take few seconds to open in your system depending upon the network connection. After that, you have to click on this navigation button. When you will click on this button, you will find all these links. Just click on the link where your name is specified. When you will click on this arrow button, you will find all these subsections. If your teacher told you that you have to upload the assignment in the homework section only, then you just have to click on this section. When you will click on this section, it will show you the page in this way. For that, we have to create a new page. If you want to add a new page here, then you can add this page over here also, because in the starting it will show you the blank. For that, you can just click on the add page option to add a page. By default, it will show you untitled page. Just give a name of your assignment. Suppose I'm just specifying function assignment 1. After specifying the name of the assignment, you just have to click outside this name block. Just click here, or if you want to add, you can insert anything depending, because the toolbar will be the same. In the class notebook, if you want to expand the window, just click in this expand tab button, then it will expand the area. If you want to open this in the browser, then you can click on the open in browser option, or you can download the class notebook app. It is available in the form of OneNote app. After that, I'm just not opening in the browser, and up here I'm just inserting it. If you want to insert anything, if you want to type anything, then you can type it here. Just select it and then give a color of your choice. The toolbar is the same that you are finding on most of the Microsoft product or applications. After this, if you want to insert any file, then if your PDF document contains many pages, then you have to insert in the form of PDF or PPT. Then click on the insert file option and then click on the choose file button. It will open another window where you can find the document. Just select that document from that location and then click on the open button. It will attach it, and then click on the insert. After this, if you want to insert any table, then you can insert that table also depending upon what type of information that you want to enter in. If you want to insert any picture from the online browser, then you can click on the insert menu, then click on the from online. You can click through camera also. You can attach a picture if the picture contains only a one page, depending on what type of picture that you are attaching it. And then here I am just attaching this picture. Click here from that file and then insert it. It be inserted in your assignment. After that, go back to this navigation button. You don't have to save it. By default, it will automatically save it. uh, Suppose next time you have to submit some another assignment on some another topic. For that, you just have to again click on the add page option, specify another assignment name. Suppose MySQL assignment 1. If you are specifying here you want to draw something, then click on the draw menu. Here you can specify how the environment is working. This is the environment in the form of tables. You can insert the things. If you want to attach any smileys, any other thing, then click on the insert menu. because here you are checking it that your other icons are in the dim form. Then you have to go to the draw menu again and click on this type button again. Then you will be able to type the things. Suppose by chance you have added something and you want to delete something, then here the eraser also, if you have draw anything, then you can erase it through eraser. It will erase it. And here by just clicking on the type, you can just click here and then use the backspace to delete anything. After that you can insert emojis also, symbols also, anything that you want to add it in your system. Suppose after inserting a page you find that this page is not functional or useful for you, then you can just right click on that page and click on the delete page option. You can delete it also. If you want to give some another name, just click it here and you can give some another name. You can put space also, your choice. Here I'm just maintaining it as it is. You don't have to save it again and again. Now let's go back to the teacher's side, how the teacher will receive the things. This is the teacher window. Here we have to just click on the teacher side. Teacher click on the respective team, and then teacher again will go to the class notebook channel link. Sorry. To see the assignment of the student, then teacher will go to the class notebook and go to the section of that student where the student had posted it. Then teacher will click the corresponding name of the student and click on the homework where the teacher already instructed that you have to upload the assignment over there. Here you have posted. The teacher can give you remarks in any way. The teacher can draw the things, put the check mark on your work. Click on the pen option and then teacher can select that your things is correct. After that teacher can type the comment also correct. And if you want to, the teacher doesn't have to save it again. And then if you will get back to your section, then you will also receive the remarks which teacher sent you. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.